Recently, my best friend and I were going to attend a mutual friend's wedding, but due to the bad weather, our friend had to cancel the wedding. Then I was thinking, Melike, why don't you make a video about it? For those who are new here, hi, I'm teacher Melike. Nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to English Central. And today, we will learn how to change plans due to bad weather. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Now, let's begin. To talk about the weather, you need to know about the terms. Let's see. One of the reasons you want to cancel a plan could be because the weather is rainy. Then you can say, it is rainy. However, if you want to express that there is too much rain out there, you need to use the expression heavy. It is raining heavily. I am not sure we can go on a picnic today. If there is wind, maybe thunder and lightning too, then you need to say it is stormy. We had better stay inside. Another reason could be the fog. In such situations, it can be dangerous to go outside. You can tell your friend, it is too foggy, I can't go out. Thick snow can also be a reason, especially since it blocks the roads. You can say, it is too snowy out there, I don't think we can go there. You can try to change the plan into an indoor activity. To give suggestions, say, how about we meet up at a cafe? Or use the expression, what do you say? This expression comes at the end of the sentence. We can hang out at my place, what do you say? Okay, time to put it into practice. Mimi says, hi, I'm not sure about the weather for our event later. What do you think we should do? I'll say, yes, it is rainy. Mimi has answered, oh, that's not good. What should we do about the outdoor activities? I'll say, we need to cancel. What do you suggest we do instead? Any alternative activities we can plan? Mimi takes us to the second goal now, changing the plans. Let's use an expression we learned today and say, how about we meet up at a cafe? Mimi says, that sounds like a good idea. Why do you think meeting at a cafe is a good alternative? Let's say, because we won't get wet from the rain and it will be more cozy. I'll type my answer down this time. Because we won't get wet from the rain and it will be more cozy. And with Mimi's last answer ends the practice. Now Mimi will share a lesson report with us. It will tell us if we did well on our goals, fix any mistakes in our sentences, suggest new vocabulary, and recommend videos on the same topic. At the bottom there are two buttons. One of them says view conversation, so you can see the chat again. The other one says try again. Click on this one if you want to practice again. Okay guys, that is it for today. This is how you can use our AI role-playing feature and change plans because of bad weather. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to answer you. And now, the outro. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.